Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel IGNOU Mentor, your one-stop guide for all IGNOU project reports, assignments and Viva preparation. Today's video is super important for all students enrolled in the Masters of Business Administration in Healthcare and Hospital Management. Yes, I'm talking about MBAHCHM program under Indira Gandhi National Open University. So if you are working on your final project report MHHP-021, then this video will save you hours of confusion. I will show you exactly how to choose your topic, how to write your chapters, what format to follow, and how to get it approved easily. So make sure you watch till the end because I am also going to share bonus tips for your project submission. So I am going to take you to the guideline. So this is the guideline of Masters of Business Administration in Healthcare and Hospital Management program. In this particular guideline, everything about the program is given. So here that I'm making this video to make you understand how the project MHHP-021 be made. Okay, so we'll discuss how the topic will be chosen or what should be the right topic for your project, right? So next to this, I'm gonna tell you some of the topics which has been which are actually very important in this stream. The first topic is a study on patient satisfaction in private hospital. Okay, and if you talk about like here are also many topics are already given on this website, sample topics, right? Assessment of patient care service in government hospitals, role of hospital management in quality management, operational efficiency in multi-speciality hospital, study on waste management practices in healthcare facilities, impact of digital health records on patient outcomes, evaluation of emergency service in urban hospitals, patient satisfaction in private healthcare system. So these are some of very important topics. Apart of this, you can also use financial risk management in healthcare institution, role of hospital administration in enhancing quality and um, excellent service, training and capacity building of healthcare staff in government hospitals, impact of digital health records on hospital efficiency. So these are many, there are so many topics which are available, and you can use one of them to make your proposal and project report, right? Now if you talk about the formation of the synopsis that you are going to make, it has to have, I'm just telling you, it must have the title first. Okay, then you have to write the introduction. After introduction you have to write the review of literature, and after that you have to add rationale of the study, why actually you are doing this particular project report. You have to write in rationale of the study, and after that the next thing is research methodology. So in research methodology you have to understand there are so many things, like you have to put research design into it, and after that you have to write nature and source of data, like if you are using primary data or secondary data. After that you have to write sample and population, and what kind of sample method you are going to use to select the sample for the study. Next thing is data collection, how you will be collecting the data for your project, and tools and techniques and statistical tools that you're going to use in your project report for data analysis. So these are all the things that you have to mention in your project research methodology, right? Now the next thing is uh, after research methodology, you can put limitations of your study, and finally you have to put references. And don't forget to see the guideline when you're making your proposal, so that you will exactly know how you can prepare it, right? And after project proposal, you have to make your project report. So basically there are chapters like introduction, review of literature, research methodology, and data analysis and interpretation, and finally you have to write findings, conclusion, and suggestion of the study, recommendation of the study you have to write at last. Okay, now I'm going to share some uh, tips for good data presentation, right? Like you have to use tables and graphs to make data easy to understand to the viewers. And after every table, give a short interpretation paragraph. Avoid spelling and grammatical mistakes. Keep your sentence short and academic. Use real hospital names only if you have permission. Otherwise, there would be kind of legal problem. However, it's not been seen in India. You can use it like so many student for the study purpose. You can mention in the acknowledgement or somewhere in your project. Okay, now I'm going to share some bonus segment. As I already told you, some tips like don't wait for the deadline for your project report. Okay, like you should start in the very beginning of the academic year, so that you can complete it on time. Avoid copy paste material from the internet. Get your synopsis approved um, get your synopsis approved before writing the full report, right? Don't initiate working on your project unless your synopsis is already approved. Okay, so friends, I hope this video gave you a complete roadmap for preparing your MBAHCHM project, which is MHHP-021. Remember, your project is not just academic formality, it is a reflection of your managerial skills and healthcare management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IGNOU Mentor for more such guides on IGNOU project report assignment and Viva preparation, and also PPT preparation. And never forget to comment in the comment box if you have any issues, or if you want me to make any particular video on any particular subject. Till then, this is Sumit Kumar Gupta signing off, wishing you all the best for your MHHP-021 project and your successful career in health and hospitality management. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep learning. Have a great day.